Look, you push memory 1. So I choose guitar. So you put memory, make sure the voice is checked. 1. So after you select all 8, you push these two together like that. See how it pops up like that? And you go to push menu so it go back up. Then you can save it. When you save, see how it says JS? You can put either slow, love, or I'm gonna just put love. And bam, right there, you can push 8. There's gonna be 8 sounds in there, So when you go back to the screen, you just push like that. You see how it changes? You change Olay, slow, JS, love, and then you push here. See there, come out. So if I push this one, if I go to like slow, if I push 1, see, it changes, buddy.